Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is US Traveler Rio Expandable Carry-On Luggage. Go anywhere with the Traveler's Choice US Traveler Rio 2-piece expandable carry-on luggage set. This luggage set is made of luxurious superior 1200D rigid polyester construction. It features an interior deluxe retractable push-button/self-locking handle system and inline skate wheels with corner protectors. It is all the space you need to pack your travel essentials, including multiple front pockets and a large zippered mesh lid pocket. The expandable feature provides 25% more packing capacity. Plus, it features full interior lining and dual adjustable tie-down straps to secure your belongings. The solid metal hardware protects your things, and the EVA padded front panel is designed to provide extra durability. Plus, the top and side carry handles make lifting luggage easy. Internal deluxe retractable push-button, self-locking handle system for easy maneuvering. Piggy bag strap for easy carrying the tote bag together. Elegant fully lined interior with tie-down straps and large interior mesh zipper pocket. Expandable feature that offers more packing capacity. Inline skate wheels, reinforced wheel housing. Adjustable and detachable non-slip padded shoulder strap on tote. Our second best carry-on luggage is Travelers Club Cosmo Carry-On Luggage. This sleek yet functional carry-on from Target proves you don't have to spend a fortune to get a great case. Its durable 100% polycarbonate shell is lightweight, but GH experts were blown away by the fact that it withstood drop after drop without dents or damage. Durable and lightweight hard shell. Has 4 spinning wheels for smooth mobility and ease on wrist for travelers. Fully lined interior with pockets, compression straps, and dividers for easy packing and organizing. Top carry handle and 4 side rubber studs for laying on ground. All Travelers Club products carry on, suitcase, duffel, multiple piece set, backpack, briefcase, messenger bag, and other travel accessories. Third in our list is Swiss Gear Expandable Roller Luggage. This luggage bag maximizes packing efficiency with a removable zippered wet bag, large mesh lid pocket, and packing pocket for holding small items and accessories. Swiss Gear Cyan Soft Side Expandable Carry-On Spinner Luggage gives you an ample amount of packing space when needed. This rolling suitcase features a locking push/pull handle system and 4 360-degree multi-directional spinner wheels for convenient portability. It is made from a durable, scuff-resistant polyester fabric, and its interior is fully lined. This carry-on suitcase features adjustable luggage tie-down straps for securing garments in place, a removable zippered wet bag, a large mesh lid pocket, and a packing pocket for holding small items and accessories. It also includes 2 front panel pockets, a built-in ID tag, and padded top and side handles. At Swiss Gear, we continue to ensure whatever you need travels easily, safely, and stylishly with you. Great for a family trip or business travel. Expandable travel case gives you ample parking space and made from a durable, scuff-resistant polyester fabric with fully lined interior. Also features adjustable tie-down straps for securing garments in place. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best carry-on luggage list is Rockland Will Luggage. This carry-on is made of ABS. This material is extremely lightweight, durable, and protects the contents of your luggage. Multi-directional spinner wheels rotate 360 degrees for easy maneuverability. This luggage allows you to pack more while avoiding the excess weight surcharges imposed by most airlines. Multi-directional spinner wheels for easy maneuverability. Modern internal chrome telescoping handle with push-button handle. Interior mesh and zip pocket and elastic pocket. The telescoping handle stows away conveniently and allows for easy maneuvering when extended. The upright expands an extra 2 inches in depth to maximize your packing capacity. Double spinner wheels allow for durable 360-degree maneuverability wherever your travels take you. Our last pick is Swissgear Science Offside Luggage. The Swissgear 6283 21 inches expandable carry-on spinner luggage features a locking push/pull handle system and 4 360-degree spinner wheels for superior mobility. Made of durable, scuff-resistant polyester fabric, its interior is fully lined and features adjustable luggage tie-down straps, a removable zippered wet bag, a large mesh lid pocket, and a packing pocket for holding small items and accessories. Other features include 2 front panel pockets, a built-in ID tag, and padded top grab handle. This cleverly designed luggage and travel accessories are meant to be carried for the long haul. Whether a classic soft side or tough hard side spinner, or a hanging toiletry bag, Swissgear luggage and travel accessory collections integrate a sturdy retractable, push-button locking handle, premium wheels, and reinforced grab handles. And for added security, TSA locks and ID tags give you peace of mind no matter where you're headed. While in transit, keep garments secured and in place with interior tie-down straps. And to avoid the need of unpacking during your vacation to remain organized, Swissgear luggage and travel accessories feature numerous pockets, compartments, and dividers for all your storage requirements.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!